Guys, I'm working on the fuel pump, and I've never really quite seen a setup like this. I've had a lot of fuel pumps out before. I never really seen one this way. That's pretty strange the way that thing hangs inside the tank. But here's the 450, and it's pretty much gonna fit just like the stock one did, you know. So I'll just hook that thing up and slide it on in there. What's up, guys? It's the next day. I got pretty frustrated with this fuel pump situation last night. Not even gonna front, I had to take a break from it, which doesn't happen to me very often. This Skyline's got the weirdest fuel system setup I've ever seen inside the tank. Some of you probably know, but you know, I can't even tell you how many, probably hundreds of fuel pumps I've done and setups and everything. I've never seen nothing like this ever. So the top of the, let me just see if I can get the camera in there. All right, this is I don't know. So you've got the fuel hat, all right, but nothing's really attached to it except for a crap load of wires and hoses. And then down there in the bottom, you have to reach into the tank, and the fuel pump hangs on like a bracket. And I've already got the fuel pump installed and everything, but I was having a very hard time getting that bracket slid back on there. The problem is, you stick your arm inside the hole, and obviously you can't see, so you just have to keep guessing and trying stuff and, you know, feeling around, and it got extremely frustrating last night. So if I can go ahead and get that fuel pump, you know, bracket hung back where it goes, I'm pretty much done with the mechanical part of it. You know, I just got to put the hat back down, hook the lines back up, and then I'm going to you know, do a relay kit. Well, not a kit, I'm going to build it, but I'm going to put a relay on the fuel pump, you know, to refeed it, so that it gets full battery voltage and all that good stuff. But anyway, it's being very difficult right now. So I'm gonna get back in there, put my gloves on, and get my hands down in the gasoline there, and go ahead and see if I can get the hanger put back in place. It's definitely getting more fuel. This thing's spitting and sputtering now. Maybe it's got some short-term fuel trims in there. That'll help a little bit for the time being. Alright, let's start working on this relay kit. stuck around this long, and you know I got the pump installed, and I built a custom panel, hot wire kit basically. There's apparently a controller in these things, you know, that limits the voltage going to the pump. So basically what I did is I fed a relay, you know, with that 30 amp wire I was talking about all this time, the blue wire coming off the battery terminal. I got all that stuff put in, got it all wired up. Here's how it looks now. So as you can see, I just went ahead and made it accessible to the trunk with this cover up. Of course, it's not all the way in there. We're missing some tabs, but oh, here's one right here. Anyway, so this is a circuit breaker. So if for some reason it trips, which it shouldn't unless something bad happens, but that can be reset. And then this is a relay for the fuel pump. This is a relay for the trunk popper. So I went ahead and rewired all that stuff. I got all the wires loomed and you know, zip tied and sorted neatly and everything. So that's how everything looks there. And I think it came out really clean. I'm happy with it. So I guess I'm gonna end it off here. It's probably already going to be a really long video as it is. So anyway, I appreciate you guys watching. Click the like button, click the share button, hit that bell notification if you hadn't already done it, and I'll see you next time.